Are you struggling to filing the GST returns? Don't worry, VS Infotech to prepare the fantastic Tally add-on. This add-on really helpful for all the chartered accountant and accountants. Please watch it. See, everybody know already almost many videos I uploaded for GSTR2 reconciliation tool, but now we are updated some things. So in GSTR report, you can avail GSTR1 reconciliation also, and as well as RCM. What is the RCM details is that what is the RCM transactions already you are paused in your accounts. So that details also right now we are giving the small add-ons. So already many things I explained to GSTR 2A reconciliations. So just I'll show you again. So just I connect my JSON files. Automatically I will get all the details for the month April and May, June, whatever it is month I can select. Even if I want full year, in single click you will get it the full year database report. See, this is my full year. As well as if you want to customize the period, just you can give the period, you can whatever it is date you can specify for quarterly, for half-yearly and full year, whatever it is. So almost GSTR2 reconciliations, most of the video I already uploaded, so please watch it. So I am not explaining much more of GSTR2 reconciliation. So I come back and same things GSTR1 as well as same. So this is my full year GSTR1 reconciliation. So you will get it. What is the bills from Tally? So totally 461 transaction is there, and bill from portal 461 transaction. So all the transaction will be matched. So this is helpful for GSTR1 reconciliation. And so we are added for chartered accountant. It's very easy for quick entry. For example, you can make the entries, payment, receipt, contra, very quick, similar to Excel format. So that is also I am explaining, and as well as bulk entry. For example, B2C transactions. Most of the people still now to making the manual entries. So how much entries for the month of you can make it. For example, 2 lakh rupees is there. So just you can put the 2 lakh rupees, how much entries you want. Per month 20 entries, put 20 entries, automatically this bulk entries, automatically this add on to generating the 20 entries. So I will show all the demo, please watch it. And another one fantastic option is there, that is the GST lock. What is the meaning of GST lock? So even all the chartered accountant and accountant to filing the returns, any companies. So what will happen? For example, your returns filed April month 2020. So after completing the returns filed, what will happen? Anyone to not modify the transactions. Once modify the transaction, what will happen? Your returns already filed. So all the entries will be, all the reports will be collapsed. So that's why you can go and put your date lock. That is called as display statutory report GST. Right side you can see one button, last return date. Once I give that 31st 3, already I done it, so just check it. 31st 3 219 is there. So what will happen? Now I go for another company because already I done it, so that's why. So now see, display statutory report GST, last return date 34/2020, already I did given. So now my user, that means data entry operator, or else you can go and sit any client places. Once if your returns filed, you can give this date. What will happen in this in that company members, that means data entry operator or that company accountant, it's not possible modify any transaction before 34. Shut company. Again I select my company. User 123. This is the login for accountant for that particular company. So now display accounts book sales register, select, so put enter. If accountant, that means that company accountant to idea to modify this transaction, what will happen? See, enter. Automatically it will be warning, dear user, GST return has been filed, no alteration can be made in any entries. If you want to alter that, contact your accountant. That means you are the responsible of to filing the GST returns of that particular company. So that's why any modification for once returns filed company, anyone not possible to changes the transactions. So this is fantastic option. All the chartered accountant and accountant use it. Now random entry making, that means bulk entry making. You are the, I already told you. So most of the persons are using still now manual entry. So what will happen? B2C is the very important. So just select CA tool and go for bulk entry. 1 April 2020 and 34 34 34 2020. So transactions monthly. So select for holidays, Sunday, random, not month end, every day. So because of I'm making the transaction for that particular month. So now I'm making random entry. So automatically total vouchers date. See, 4 days is there. For the month of April, 4 days leave is there. That means Sunday is there. So remove that, automatically 26 days transaction will be generated. So now voucher type, I'm selecting sales. So it sales transaction totally that month 2,50,000 as per my manual book. Tax slab 18%. Enter. Select cash, sales ledger, GST sales, CGST and SGST, round off ledger, sales, cash, sales. See, now I am checking display accounts book sales register. So automatically my transaction will be generated. So as well as same concept, if you are making the payment receipt, whatever it is. Now I am making the, for example, payment entries for IT purpose. I am making the rent entry. Just see 1 April to 31st 3 2021. Month end date Sunday, not there, and fixed 12 per month. My rent 10,000. So 10,000 cash here, rent. So automatically generated. Display accounts book ledger rent. See, period 1st April to 31st. All the months 10,000 automatically entry generated. This is bulk entry making tool. It's very useful for all the chartered accountant and accountant. Quick entry. That means, for example, you can make the transaction payment, receipt, contra, whatever it is. You can make very quickly. See, now see, cash and bank ledger is there. Bank ledger I am not created. So now cash ledger is there. So put enter and payment, contra, receipt. 3 options is there. Now I am making the payment. Payment 31st March 2021 is there. Okay, no problem. I'm not changing the date. You can modify whatever it is date. And I am creating the rent 15,000. Cash payment. Rent 25,000. For example, whatever it is you can make for how to this add-on will be work. That's only you can watch it. So now I make it receipt. Rent also I am receiving 5,000. So easily, similar to Excel format, one sheet you can make the multi entries. So this is the fantastic add-on. Please use it. That's it. So now see, display statement of accounts, statistics, payment. Automatically March month I created 25,000. That entry is also saved, as well as I make the one receipt entry. So receipt 5,000. So this is one screen. You can make it multi transactions. This add-on very helpful. Please use it. Now I will show you RCM entry. RCM. So RCM, most of the things in transportation RCM will be using. So now I will show you. See, display accounts book, display day book. One sample entry I made. Just see, transportation charges 2,500 in transportation charges. Control enter. My RCM applicable and 5% is the tax. So in this transaction I passed my purchase transaction, RCM transaction. Now see RCM report on CA tool. CA tool, just select GST report and GST reverse charge report. So this is your RCM transaction report. Automatically you will get it all the details. Even you can select the section also. So what is the section? Right now section 9.3. So that's why if you want to change any slab is there in future, whatever it is to change the slab, you can modify here. Even RCM adjustment entries also auto posting. Here option is there, just to see RCM entries. Spacebar, that means select, and RCM entries. Select, file, enter, RCM entries. Do you want to create reverse charge entries? Yes. RCM entry created successfully. Now see, display day book. So automatically tax paid against reverse charges. So additional detail, purchase under reverse charges. Automatically journal posting, as well as automatically another journal also, input CGST, SGST, automatically entry posting. This RCM entry is very helpful for all the chartered accountant as well as accountant.